Hi, I'm Candace with Seize the Day Yacht Charters, and today we're answering the question, why use a yacht charter broker? Yacht charter brokers have access to the same yachts all over the world through central databases. I've been a charter broker since 2011, and I travel the world to various destinations, charter destinations, to tour the boats and meet the crew. So I can get first-hand experience to ensure that the yachts, what they represent themselves as in the brochures. There is no additional cost to use a yacht charter broker. The cost of our fees are built into the cost of the charter, and there's no additional cost to you. The yachts do not offer you a better price by finding them and contacting them directly, period. That's something I would actually highly discourage people from doing, because part of our job is ensuring that you're with a yacht that's meeting the highest standards in the industry and meeting industry expectations. As a member of various yachting associations, brokers like myself talk amongst each other and know who's well run and who isn't, and we can help you avoid making any type of mistakes or booking the wrong charter. So if you're looking to book a yacht, any size, worldwide, reach out to us at www.seizethedaycharters.com, and we'd be happy to match you with the perfect yacht. If you like this video, please give us a like and thumbs up, and we'll send out more videos soon. Thanks.